This is Virpal. I am from Uttar Pradesh in Hamirpur district.
Hamirpur is close to which city in Uttar Pradesh?
Yeah, it is close nearby Kanpur. You know
Ah,
Kanpur?
yes.
Yeah.
I've been to Kanpur when I was
Okay.
little girl, 8 years old, 9 years old.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like to introduce yourself before?
Yeah, I am. Sabina. I was first working with Air India for a long time, and then I was teaching and teaching.
Okay.
8 years old, I was in Dubai, so I was teaching over there. And
Oh, great. You
yeah,
have
so
lots of
now,
experience.
yes, now I'm back and I take some workshops and I take Lepingo sessions.
Okay. So you was working on out of country and in our country in
I know
Indian hot.
in when I was working with Air India, I was working in Delhi. Then I went to
Okay.
Dubai. Then I was teaching there in Indian school.
Okay.
What
And
are
where
you
are you
doing?
now?
I'm in Delhi only.
You are in Delhi.
Now I've
Okay.
come back. Yes. And what are you doing?
Yeah. Actually, I'm also a student. I am pursuing BA. This is my second year, and I am
You are in
also
second year.
yeah. I
Second.
am in second year.
What are you doing? Which stream?
I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts, BA second year,
Okay.
as well as I am also employee. I am working in private company also as a supervisor here.
Oh, okay, okay. So
Yeah.
you work in Hamirpur also?
No. I am not working there. Actually, I am working in Silvassa. You know Silvassa.
Slovasa.
Silvassa. Yeah. It is nearby Bombay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
right now you
You
are
know
at your
Dadra Nagar Haveli.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Daman Deep and Dadra Nagar Haveli. So I am working
So,
in Silvassa
so you
in
you
private
are
company.
doing, but you are doing your BA by correspondence?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I take only exam only.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't go there every day. I can't attend my class every day, physical class. That's why uh, I get admissions only, and I will go there whenever my uh, exam begin to that day.
But then how you are working from home right now?
No. Actually, I am in Slovasa right now. I'm not at home.
Acha.
Yeah.
And how far is it from Mumbai?
It is 180 kilometer from here, Mumbai.
Oh, not very far. It's close.
Yeah, it's very close. We
Okay.
can go in Mumbai within 3 hours by train.
You can go to Mumbai in 3 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and what else? Do you get to travel to other states also?
Yes, whenever I have work, then I would like to go there. But I don't like to travel most probably. Actually,
Why?
whenever I used to travel, then
Uh,
I am not feeling well that day. Mm,
Why
I am, I
you don't
am
like?
feeling very nervous. I am feeling very nervous during to traveling, and I vomit, and my mind is also in like crazy type. So that's why I don't like most probably.
Why you should do some
I like
meditation?
yes, ma'am. I tried so many time, but it is not begin to uh, clear.
You feel scared of what when you're traveling?
Yes, and I vomiting. I start vomiting.
Sickness. So you have sickness motion. Motion
Yeah,
sickness.
motion sickness. Yeah.
Okay. There are some medicines for that.
Yes, I take medicine, but I'm not feeling very well during traveling. That's why.
But only when you travel by bus or even by train.
No, even by bus and car only. If I will go by train and by flight, it will be good. I like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So should we go to the topic of the day on unexpected
Yeah,
situations?
actually, I think according to me, today it is very tough session for me. I tried to read something from that topic, but I didn't read more. Actually, according to me, it is very tough for me. You
No,
know,
there's nothing tough. You can just imagine that you are invisible. Invisible means that you can see everyone, but no one can see you.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That is the
Then
meaning of invisible.
I know meaning of invisible, but okay, I will do my best. I try to
Yeah,
share with
you
you
can just
little bit.
you can imagine, just be creative, imagine. So if you are invisible for a day, what will you
Yeah.
do?
Okay, if I will be invisible
Not
for a day,
invisible, invisible.
invisible. Okay, if I would be invisible for a day, then I feel very nervous and I feel very fire. And after that, uh, you know, I am feeling like different, so many things. Like where I am, I can't see with anyone, and everyone can't see me. So this is, very critical situations that we have to face it.
Okay. But why do you feel scared about everything? No need to feel
No, like
scared, Veerpal.
yeah, I know we should not afraid and we should not feel nervous, but it's happened sometime. It's suddenly it happened something with someone, then it will be very surprise for someone. Am I right?
You will be very.
It will be surprise for someone. If suddenly it's it's happened suddenly with someone, then it will be surprise.
No, what naughty thing will you like to do?
Naughty thing. Yeah,
That
I would like to in my naughty thing. Not naughty. I just enjoy with my friends and with my family members. Actually, I'm not naughty, so that's why I don't have this skills in myself. I am very peaceful person, and I live very peaceful. I don't like to, so many naughty and so many kind of things. I want to live very peaceful, calmly, and I do this work which work I like, and I I'm very peaceful person. I wear simple clothes and simple hairs like that, and this. That's why I don't like very naughtily.
okay. And supposing you had a lot of money, you won. Maybe you go to Karodpati, Kaun Banega Karodpati, and you win crores of money. What will you do with it?
Actually, it will not happen with someone.
Why?
It's not dependent to us. If God give this opportunity, then God give me provide 1 crore rupees, then I will expand this money like in a. I want to open my own business,
What would
first
you want to
and
open?
open my own business.
What business?
Uh, I am not sure now, but I will make planning. Whenever I have money, then I will make plan. Not now. I am not sure now. I will plan to
And
doing
would
something.
you like to help people?
Yes, yes. I like to help with someone, but according to situations, he is in trouble, then definitely I will help him. But someone want to cheat with me, like no, uh, he want to doing work from my side with cheating. Then I will not help. If I notice
If
that
you
thing,
if you see people on the road begging, do you give money, or you think giving food is better to them?
no, actually I don't like to give them persons. I would like to which person who is like this type of person according to person. He's able to doing work and uh, he want
And
some
still
money from
begging.
somewhere. Yeah, this is not good thing, ma'am. I noticed somewhere, and I saw also lots of place and lots of different of peoples available, and they are capable to doing and do any work. Then they can do any work, but they are not working. They are beg. They are begging. So that's why
Yeah.
we have to notice which type of person stand in front of you and begging some money from you. Then we have to notice, and after that we should give him money, and we can do in favor any of work, like we can provide him some fruits and mm, like anything else according to us. Am I right, ma'am?
Yeah, because they can misuse that money to buy alcohol or drugs. And
Yeah, ma'am. It's not our fault. I think it's not our fault. If anyone want to beg some money from our side, then they should realize in our mind they are beggar, and they should work from our situations. They shouldn't drink, and they shouldn't do this type of work, I think.
yeah. And why have you joined Clippingo? What do you think? How will it improve your life if you know English, fluent English?
Yes, actually, ma'am, I am working, as I told you, I am working in private sector. Okay, so I don't have these skills like English skills. So I had, I was facing lots of problems before, a couple of months ago. So that's why I thought I was feeling nervous because I don't have skills. I didn't have skills, so that's why uh, now I am learning English. If I will improve myself, then definitely I will grow, and I can get job somewhere, and I can promote myself. We can say like
What else are you doing besides? When did you join Clippingo?
this is my fourth session.
Okay. So
Yeah,
are you finding it useful?
yeah. It is useful. We can communicate with another person, like different person, and we can build our confidence. We can remove our hesitate. So it is very useful
But
according to
Veerpal,
me.
what are you also reading some books in English,
Yeah,
newspaper?
ma'am. Yeah, I I read some books and newspaper also, and I try to listening something from YouTube from
What all?
which
Do you
good speak.
listen to some
Yeah, I
motivational
listen.
speeches?
Yes, motivational speakers, and like I used to watch Sadhguru and Swami Mukundanand videos. He's a good speaker, I think, according to me.
Hmm.
Swami uh, Sadhguru is a good speaker. He speaks very peacefully and very simple words.
Yeah. And what about English newspaper?
English newspaper I used to read, but whenever I try to read and I can't read properly. There are lots of difficult words available in
But you can,
newspaper.
if there are difficult words, you should just find out the meaning.
Yes, I try to find of the meaning from Google, but there are lots of meanings available in YouTube. But I remember I try to find 10 meanings in a day. Okay, when within 5 days uh, we have 50 meanings. Okay, when uh, I try to go next day and I remember one day's meanings, and I go second day, then I remember another meaning, then I forget that meaning. It's
So
happened with me.
no. So what, Veerpal, you should just don't make it 10 every day. Just write words, 4 to 5 words.
Forward.
That is all. But
Yeah.
note down somewhere. Okay, keep a diary.
Yes. Yeah, I have
Note,
app.
yeah, note it down.
I
And
have three
before,
diary.
okay, for what?
Yeah. Like one diary I have, and I have written all grammatical structures, and I have one diary which I used to write whenever I reading something and I listen to something. Then I used to write down on that time, connect that time.